Hello. So in this video, we're going to be going over how to create a contact form. Now to do this, you're going to have Gravity Forms plugin installed. If you don't have that installed, go ahead and install it by going down here to plugins and doing the proper steps to go ahead and install Gravity Forms plugin. Now once you have that plugin installed, what you're going to want to do is come over here to Forms and then go over to New Form. It should take you to a page like this. And what you're going to want to do is give your new form a title. And since we're going to make it a contact form, that's what we're going to call it. We're going to contact form. Now the thing is that I already have a contact form created, so we're going to call this one contact form 2. Now you can give it a description if you want to, but for now I don't really need to, so I'm just going to click on create form. So once you have done that, it should take you to a page that looks like this. So we're going to just start making our contact form, and we're just going to make a very basic contact form. We're not going to get too complicated here. So what you're going to want to do is come over here to advanced fields. It'll give you a bunch of fields that will make this a lot easier for you. So what you're going to do, let's first off, we're going to make sure that the person puts their name. So click on name. And it'll be added over here. As you can see, it added first and last. And the name of it is name. And we're also going to want them to give us their email address. So click on that, wait a few seconds. And now they have to put their name and their email. And now, of course, with this being a contact form, we want them to tell us what's wrong. So what you're going to want to do is come down here to post fields. Oh no, I'm sorry. We're going to go back up here to standard fields. And we're going to go to paragraph text. And this is where the person will type in what they want to send to us. So as you can see, we got some editing we got to do to this paragraph field here because we don't want it just to say untitled. So to go ahead and to edit it, all you need to do is click on it. You want to open up this editing menu for us, and we're going to go ahead and change the title from untitled to message us. And then also what we're going to do is go over here to appearance. So once you're on this appearance page, what you're going to do is you're going to want to type in here a placeholder, and I will show you what that does in a second. But for now, we're going to type in questions and concern. And then just click on it up here. It'll close it, and now you see that the title of this paragraph text field is now message us, and we have a thing in here that says questions and concerns. And now when someone starts typing in here, this will disappear and their message will be typed out. So now we are done editing the contact form. Like I said, I made a very basic contact form here. If you want to add more fields or do some more editing, you can, but for now I am done. So once you are done editing, what you're going to want to do is click on update. And now your contact form will have been created. And to go ahead and preview what that looks like, click on preview. And this gives you an example of what your contact form may look like on your web page. So how do we make sure that the Gravity form is being sent to the right person after whoever writes the message hits the submit button? To be able to set who gets the email after a person clicks submit, what you're going to do is come up here to, or go back to contact form. We were doing contact form 2. Go to settings and go down to notifications. And as you can see, we have it being sent to the admin at the moment, but let's say you want it to be sent to somebody else or to be sent to multiple people. So what you're going to want to do is click on add new. Fill out the appropriate information for whoever you want this, whoever else you want this message to be sent to, and then click on Save Notifications. Once you do that, another person will be added here. Well, I will have the green by it saying that they will also be getting the form. So now the question is, how do you add a contact form to a page or a post? So what you're going to want to do is come over here to, let's make it a post. And you know what, we're going to go ahead and just make a new one. So we're going to click on add new. And as you can see, right here we have a button that we click on that says add form. So we'll go ahead and click on it. And from here, we click on this drop down menu. It will show all the different forms that we have created, but we want to add contact form too. So click on that, click insert form. This is what it looks like on your in your editing menu. But if we click over here on preview, this is what the contact form will look like on your website, or this is how it looks like on my website. It may look slightly different on yours. So this will bring an end to this video on how to create a contact form.